saw someone cross-country skiing on the sidewalk.
There's one. No, there's a. Oh, there's a cormorant. That's some sort of juvenile eagle.
Yeah. Yeah.
Another one. The roads downtown look fun.
Again? Yeah, now it's just gonna be here for a few days.
Right.
Schnee. Kind of wet, slushy. Especially if it warms up 5-6 degrees. Where you're going? On the wrong side of the line.
Don't leave your girl around me, heartbreaker for life. Ask my homeboy night.
I actually listened to the lyrics of this song, and it's actually a really good song. Yeah, you're fine.
Yeah. Just when I was looking at that steep hill, they didn't even plow it. They're not even gonna plow like these side streets.
ones, for
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah, they haven't plowed any of these side streets.
Which would be scary to get up and down and all that
Yeah.
stuff.
How do you imagine moving today? That would. I'm actually kind of curious. I'm kind of wondering if my building owner is trying to sell his building, because there was this like older guy and like his family looking at this house that's for rent, which they own, which is right next to me, and then they were looking like going,
Look at the
"Snowman!"
That is hilarious.